If you are growing aloe vera at home, you are going to find that at some point it will start to produce some offshoots. These offshoots are called aloe vera pups. There are so many ways of propagating aloe vera plants. You can start them from seed, you can use leaf cuttings, but the easiest method to propagate an aloe vera plant is to use aloe vera pups. Hey guys, welcome back to Sage Grows Organics. In today's video, I'm going to be separating my aloe vera pups from the mother plant and transplanting them into their own containers. So before I go ahead and separate these aloe vera pups from the mother plant, this needs to go ahead with this process. I need a sharp knife like the one that I have here, which I have sterilized with aloe vera gel, which is antibacterial. I also need the containers in which I'm going to transplant the aloe vera pups that I'm separating. They can start growing on their own and grow into big aloe vera plants. I also need the soil that I use to pot the aloe vera pups, and this is the soil that I have here. And this is just ordinary garden soil that I've taken from my garden pathways. Okay, now that I've got everything that I need to separate the aloe vera pups from the mother plant and transplant them into their own containers, I need to remove this mother plant from this plant's leaf so that I can easily separate the pups without hitting either the pups or the mother plants. Also, in order not to break the leaves while I am separating the pups, I'm going to tie the leaves of the mother plant with a string so that they will be protected when I'm going through the process of separating the pups. So let me get to that. Okay, I've tied the leaves of the mother plant, so now I need to go ahead and massage the plant's leaf so that I can set loose the roots of the mother plant and it can easily come out from this leaf. So right now I'm just massaging the plant's leaf so that I can easily pull out the plant from this sleeve and go ahead separate the pups from the mother plant. So the bottom leaves of the aloe vera pups were starting to rot. Um, I believe this is because over the past weeks we've been receiving some rains. So as you can see, the soil is so moist, and I think this is what was starting to cause the rot of the aloe vera pups leaves. So I done the right thing to choose to separate these from the mother plant at this point so that I can transplant them. If I had left them in, they would probably have got their small roots rotten and probably end up dead. So now that I've removed these from the plant leaf, I can now clearly see where these pups are attached to the mother plant, and this will help me to easily cut these off from the mother plant, taking some roots with them if there is any. So now that I've also removed the plant from the plant leaf, I can see that there are some pups that are developing. I'm not sure if you can see, but I've got this little pup here that is just starting to develop. I've also got another one here that's just starting to develop. For now, I've got these two large ones and those small two that are just starting to form. Okay, so now I can see clearly where these pups are attached to the mother plant. So I can take my knife, which I've sterilized with the aloe vera gel, and use it to cut off the pups from the mother plant. So this one here is got some roots which attached to it. As you can see, I've managed to remove the pup along with some roots. So it's going to be easy for this pup to start growing on its own since it has already got some roots on it. I need to use the knife to remove this one here. Also on this one, I've successfully managed to remove it from the mother plant and take some roots with it, as you can see here. So I'm going to put this plant on the side and I'll deal with it once I'm done transplanting these two pups that I have with me here. I'm just going to set it here, clean up this whole mess, and